Hello students, welcome back to the classes of Merchant of Venice, written by William Shakespeare. Act 3, Scene 2. Last class, we had learnt about the casket selection where Bassanio selected leaden casket after introspecting all three caskets very carefully. He even referred with many stories where he never wanted to go for outward looks. This helped him to select the right casket. Now, the happy wedding bells were ringing in Belmont. Here, other side, Nerissa and Gratiano, who were in love, were excited for their marriage. Let me read out the extracts and explain how these two, Nerissa and Gratiano, approach Bassanio and Portia with the proposal of their marriage and get approval for their marriage with the marriage of Bassanio and Portia. Nerissa, my lord and lady, it is now our time that have stood by and seen our wishes prosper, to cry good joy, my lord and lady. So, Nerissa expresses her happiness, a great joy for the right selection of the casket and to see her mistress Portia, means the lady of Belmont, very happy to have been chosen by her love. Love here is referred to Bassanio. So Nerissa tells that she is very happy to see Portia's hopes come true. With Portia's hopes and wishes, Nerissa's hopes also came true because her joy also was dependent on Portia's and Bassanio's joy. Gratiano, my lord Bassanio, and my gentle lady, I wish you all the joy that you can wish, for I am sure you can wish none from me. And when your honours means to solemnize the bargain of your faith, I do beseech you, even at the time I may be married to. So Gratiano tells Lord Bassanio and gentle lady, I wish for you the joy that you could ever wish, and your happiness is our happiness also, because he can never see Bassanio unhappy. And he tells that when his here means Bassanio's dream to get engaged and marry with Portia has come true, he requests for his marriage also to be solemnized with Bassanio's marriage. Bassanio, with all my heart, so thou canst get a wife. So Bassanio accepts, telling that really I am very happy that you two want to marry with our marriage itself, but provided you should also get a wife, then only you can marry Gratiano. Gratiano, I thank your lordship. You have got me one. My eyes, my lord, can look as swift as yours. You saw the mistress, I beheld the maid. You loved, I loved. For intermission, no more pertains to me, my lord, than you. Your fortune stood upon the caskets there, and so did mine too, as the matter falls, for wooing here until I sweat again, and swearing till my very roof was dry, with oaths of love at last. If promise last, I got a promise of this fair one here, to have her love, provided that your fortune achieved her mistress. Gratiano tells that Bassanio, I too have a wife here, and when you loved Portia, my eyes fell in love with Portia's maid Nerissa. When you were falling in love, I too was falling in love. When you were promising to Portia, I was promising to Nerissa. So, my lord, my whole fate was dependent on your fate, because Nerissa told me that in case if your master Bassanio is selecting the right casket and marrying Portia, I will marry you. Means Nerissa will marry Gratiano. So Gratiano's and Nerissa's fate was completely dependent on Bassanio's fate. Portia. Is this true, Nerissa? Nerissa. Madam, it is. So you stand pleased withal. Portia inquires, is this true? And Nerissa directly accepts and tells that if you are pleased with my love, then I really want to marry Gratiano. Bassanio. And do you, Gratiano, mean good faith? Gratiano, so really with good heart and faithful heart, you want to marry Nerissa? Gratiano. Yes, faith, my lord. Yes, my lord, with all my trust, I want to marry Nerissa. Bassanio. Our feast shall be much honored in your marriage. Then Bassanio accepts and tells that really it is very good that you two want to marry, and it will be a great feast to marry Portia and to witness your marriage, Gratiano. Gratiano.